Hello everyone, welcome to the session. In this session, we are going to discuss about tokenization in NLP or machine learning application. What is tokenization? Tokenization is the process of splitting or tokenizing a text, any string, paragraph, sentence into list of words or terms. These terms or words are known as tokens. For example, we have one text, quick brown fox. When we apply the tokenization, we would get three tokens: quick, brown, and fox. So tokenization is nothing but a splitting a text into words. Types of tokenization. Word tokenization. In word tokenization, the text is converted into or splitted into words. Like we have example here. So all nearby hotels. So you can see after tokenization, we will get four tokens. So all nearby hotels. Space tokenization and punctuation tokenization are type of word tokenization. In space tokenization, we use the space to split the text. In punctuation, we use the punctuation or space to split the text. Next is sentence tokenization. In sentence tokenization, the text or any paragraph is splitted into sentences. Suppose we have text AI making human life easy. It is challenging. And when we apply the sentence tokenization, we would get two sentences. First one is AI making human life easy, and second is it is challenging. So this is the sentence tokenization. Third is character tokenization. In character tokenization, the text is converted or splitted into characters. Pre-processing steps in NLP. Here I have mentioned all pre-processing steps which are performed on any text in NLP application before we supply the text to the NLP or machine learning model. You can see in the pre-processing steps, tokenization is the first step. After tokenization, after we get the tokens, the further steps are performed on those tokens like stop word removal, stemming, normalization. So the tokenization is very important in the any NLP or machine learning application. That's all for this session. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.